Hey everyone, hopefully you're having a good day. My name's Andy, my channel is Finding Value. Today we're going to do our daily technical analysis updated commodities, work our way through the dollar yields, precious metals, and commodities ETFs that I follow. I'll interject my financial opinions, and if you need help with anything, check out finding-value.com, where I dive deeper into all these topics, sectors, looking for investment opportunities, and sharing those opportunities with everybody in the community. Special is the coupon code. You can get a special on both the monthly and yearly memberships, 50% off the first month only on the monthly, and a larger discount, $100 on the yearly membership. And you can always swap from a monthly to a yearly membership. All right, let's dive in, take a look, see what's going on today. I'm still in the camp that we could go higher here in the DXY. Two falling wedges are generally bullish, and that's what you get. It's an upward move on falling wedges or squeezes like this. Generally, it comes from the interest rates backing the currency, monetary policy that backs that currency is stronger than other monetary policies backing other currencies that it's being compared against. So the 2-year yield, it is down a little bit today, but still looks okay to work its way on up. That's where we see little bloody nose there, could still work its way on up. We're towards the bottom of this pattern, and we'll see if it holds. We've got the 10-year yield down 1%. We're right on support. We'll see if this support holds. If it doesn't hold, we'll blow through it. If it holds, we'll turn it around and start heading higher if that does hold. If it doesn't hold and we see the 10-year go down, means there are buyers for the 10-year, which I find very weird because I want to know who's buying the 10-year outside of quantitative easing or government, our own government. It seems like they'd be buying and not too many others. 30-year yield, down 0.8%. We're coming up against support. We've hit resistance up here a couple of times, and we are back to support area here very shortly. TLT bond prices are going up a little bit today. We have a descending, so we have an ascending triangle. This is a descending triangle where you get resistance here, and then you get this coming back. So we might come back up and then rotate and break out, perhaps. We did enter this from the top side down. So we could still be bearish on bonds, but in the short term, we're getting a little bit of a counter trend rally. So that's what we're seeing here in the short term. The 2 and the 10 continues to invert. I thought we were going to uninvert. Well, it's inverting today with the 2 and the 10 breaking out. We've got the TYX TNX ratio up a teeny bit, so it might have a little bit of a tailwind behind gold, but we also have the DXY higher today. So gold didn't really go anywhere, basically flat, still looks good to continue higher. We've broken out of that pattern, and I'll be bullish until I start to see some major selling pressure. It could be a while here. Silver's up 0.84%, still looks good. We're consolidating sideways. Looks good to go higher. Give it time. We've got platinum up 2%. It's on top of support. Still looks good to work its way on up. And palladium's up 6%. This isn't a big bottoming pattern here. And it looks fantastic to go higher. So we could see everything go higher. Platinum, palladium, silver, gold, everything. They all look good. XAU to gold ratio is going on up 2% today. And that continues its trend higher. Coming from absolutely ludicrous valuations, we're going to see gold and silver mining companies massively outperform gold. Even if you're still doubting this move, it doesn't matter. It's going to do what it's going to do. And gold and silver mining companies look very strong. GDX up 2.43%. Tell me that doesn't look strong. Would I chase it up here? No, I would not. But it looks strong. GDXJ up 2.9%. Ripping it. Getting in full stride of this bull market getting going. And SILJ up 2.8. Look at that beast. Jumping out of its pattern. Let me get over here. And then we are going into the launch pad phase where we're jumping from the launch pad and moving. It looks good. We've got crude oil up 1.85%. What is this doing going up? Well, we'll see if it can get some momentum getting generated. And if we can break out of this pattern, we'll be cooking. We'll be cooking if it can. TTF gas up 0.7. That's already bottomed and it's in a little uptrend. So we'll see if that can continue. Natural gas in America getting some selling pressure. Down 2.86. It's broken the downtrend. Still looks good. We could get a counter trend, move here before heading higher. Our boy XOP, yeah, you know me, up 2.12%. What does this mean? It means we're going higher, guys. We're sitting on top of the flag pattern. Here's your retest return move. And now we're starting to generate some momentum to the upside. Looking good, feeling good. And there's that pattern that I grabbed and flipped. This guy here. Is this guy here flipped? And it looks like it's tracking that quite well. XOP. OIH up 2.4%. We are getting up to resistance. We'll see if we can punch through. There's that resistance I'm talking about. And it's not just the line. There's some more above it. So you just got to keep being patient and wait for these things to break through. Newcastle Coal Futures down another 1.6%. Looks like it wants to come back and almost like a double bottom here. We'll see if that occurs. Move that out. The Sprott Physical Uranium Trust is down 0.67. Am I worried? No. No big selling pressure. We're going higher, baby. We're going higher. Stay long, guys. There's no selling pressure here. These little candlesticks, they're nothing. Uranium futures pricing down slightly. That still looks good. No big deal. Uranium equities up a little bit, 0.5%. Still looks fine, sitting on top of support. And that goes for all of them. They all look good. Sitting on top of support, all look good. No selling pressure. We've got nickel down 0.7%. It's consolidating here a little bit. If we go to this one here, it's just doing a little consolidation there, right above support. Copper continuing higher, 0.83%, looking good. You can see the lows are kind of stepping up. That looks good. So stay long. It's that simple, guys. There's no big deals here. I don't see anything to worry about. COPX continues higher. The equities, people keep buying those. So copper's most likely going to follow it. That's at all-time highs, isn't it? Be back way out. No, not all-time highs. We're getting there though. Lithium down a little bit, down 1.73. Probably doing maybe a retest move here, filling in some gaps. Yeah, filling in the gappage. Getting some gappage. Gappagewea. REMX down 4.3. Could come down here. Do a retest move before heading higher. A little bit of selling pressure that could follow through to the downside in the short term. Iron ore down slightly, ever so slightly, but no selling pressure. Little flag pattern, pennant formation, whatever it ends up being, still looks good to go higher. Aluminum still underneath 2650, still trying to chop through it. Hasn't gotten through it yet, but looks good. Looks like it's trying. Baltic Dry Index up 3%. It's going to go up, guys. It's going to go up. We're in a bull market. Big pattern, pattern break. Remain long. Emerging markets up 0.68%. Doesn't care about a slightly stronger dollar. Looks good. Stay long, my friends. Stay long. Looks very good from a long-term perspective. This is going to be a new, guys, this is just, it's going to be a launching pad. We're going to go like up here. Like we have this is going to be years. I'm going to be coming on here telling you guys for years. I'll be like, yeah, this looks good. It looks really good. Yeah, we're still good. I'm just going to keep saying that for like 2-3 years now. Moo down slightly. We are still trying to break through that resistance, and we'll get through it, and it will be a bull market. And this is a base breakout retest, and then we're going to go into a big long bull market for years. For years. KRE up a little bit, but holding steady, consolidating. XHB also consolidating on top of support. Looks okay. I mean, not the best of looking patterns, but looks all right. We've got Russell down slightly. This is a rising wedge. We could see a little bit of a spill here out of it, like that. Maybe we'll see. We'll see if there's any follow through there. SPX up a teeny bit in a rising wedge somehow. This thing keeps putting in rising wedges and somehow it keeps going up. I don't know who's buying this, the plunge protection team or what, but NASDAQ, another rising wedge underneath a rising. So this is a rising wedge there, broke out. Retest. Usually these roll over, but somehow it keeps going up, but we'll see. Dow Jones down slightly. That is not a good looking pattern. This is a top breakout, retest, and then it rolls over generally. That's why I've got that downward arrow, and that's what I'm looking for. XLI, it's up 0.74, looking all right. It's holding on. We got Bitcoin up 2%. That looks good to go higher. No questions there. Ethereum up 0.5. That's just chopping sideways, but still looks okay. Still on top of a lot of support. And then the VIX is up 2%. Could we get a move higher here where the markets sell off? It's possible. It's possible. But that's all I've got for today, guys. So that's what I'm seeing in the markets. So give me a thumb up for the content. Subscribe to the channel. Subscribe to the website if you'd like. Specials at coupon code. We've got a Saturday question and answer session coming up at 7 a.m. Mountain Time. All right, guys. I will catch you next time. See ya.